Income from profession. Next we see the problem. Singh is a practicing as a chartered accountant in Delhi. He deposits all receipts in his bank account and pay all expenses by check. Following is the analysis of his bank account for the year ending 31st March 2019. Compute his income from profession. We have already discussed about the income from profession and income from business in the last last day classes. Now we discuss about the income from profession for the chartered accountant. We have to only taken into consideration which are related to the profession, which are related to the chartered professions, receipts and payments to be filtered in the overall expenses and incomes given in this problem. First, we have to pick up the receipts which are related to our um, business profession, which are related to profession. First one, consultation is related, audit is related, appellate related appearance is related, presence from clients is related, and interest on government securities is not related to professional income, is yeah income from other sources, and rent received from house is income from other sources, and loan from client is what the adjustments is given in this under the problem, and we discuss about the later. And miscellaneous receipts is related to our profession. And payment, which are the payment, this is payment means expenses, which are what are the expenses given in this problem. Computer purchase 50,000 is a asset, with the so we can taken into only the depreciation. The depreciation value doesn't given in this problem. We have to understood computer having the 60 percentage of depreciation, and books 40 percentage of depreciation is the assumed one, understandable one, because they are not given in this problem, and the percentage of depreciation. Computer purchase 50,000. Stipend to the articles is related to profession, and office expenses and office rent, salary and wages, printing and stationery, subscription to CA Institute, books, all are related to our profession. And the traveling expenses we have taken into consideration which part is relevant to profession and which are not relevant to the profession. Which one is relevant to the profession we are taken into consideration. And then next one, traveling expenses and then interest on loan, they same like the traveling, like that, which one is which part is relevant to the profession and which is not relevant to the profession. And donation to NDF is under the deductions of ATC after the calculations of profit and then taken into consideration. And then what are the additional information given to the problem is traveling expenses are incurred for profession. um, Fully traveling expenses are incurred for professions in this. uh, the first point is given, and the next point is computers purchased on 8 2018 used for office purpose. So the purchase of computer is at, like is an asset, but we have to only calculate in the depreciated value. And the 50 percentage of books were purchased in August 2018, and August, the books also the asset. So we taken into only consideration depreciation amount only we taken into consideration, and half of the traveling expenses is disallowed. um, Fully profession we have to use the traveling as expenses, but the profession, in this sum the traveling expenses only the part of the amount to be taken into consideration, part of them disallowed in this problem, because they said in this problem. And half of the loan amount claimed of personal uses. Just the so we taken into the part of the amount for the calculations, because part of personal and part of official. Next we go to the answer solution to the problem. The solution is income from profession. Already we discussed about what are the amount income taken into consideration, what are the incomes, receipts, both of the same income and the receipts. Consultation fees, audit fees, which are related to this profession. They are only alone to be taken into consideration. Appeal tribunal appearance, presence from clients, miscellaneous receipts, and what are the this will be added and totaling in this separate. And then next, what are the expenses to be all are the to be deductible from the income. What are the expenses related to the profession? Stipend to the article, office expenses, office rent, salaries and wages, printing and stationery, and subscription to the CA. The traveling expenses, the sum is given for half of the amount for personal disallowed. There is no specifically in personal or official. Therefore, half of the amount to be disallowed. So we have only the part of the amount to be half of the amount to be taken into consideration, and the interest alone. The again the same um, we given in the problem. 50 percentage to be personal and 50 percentage to be our official. So 50 percentage to be taken into consideration. The depreciation of computer 60 percentage because it is easily one out. So the life is so computer life is 1 or 2 years, so the depreciation value percentage is also very high when compared to others. And books are also worn out, they are using 1 or 2 years, so they are the depreciation value is more when compared to other depreciation block assets. And depreciation is 60 percentage of amount, and depreciation of books from professions 40 percentage of depreciation we have taken into consideration. We are totaling the amount and then um, uh, deductible from the income and deductible from the expenses. We have arriving the income from profession 4,26,700 is the income from profession. Um, these are the solution to the problem, and the additional points notes are given under the problem. What are the notes given in this problem? The interest and rent already we discussed about what are they, we are not taken into consideration. What are the reasons given in this notes? Interest on government securities, rent received from house, and interest loan from client are non-professional income. Hence, they are ignored. Miscellaneous are income from profession, they are taken into consideration. Donation to NDF deductible in the gross total income. So they only now we the calculations only the income from profession. After that, we gross total income. We have to deduct the NDF, and then NDF means National Development Fund. And next one, books are professions being annual publications are eligible for 40% depreciation. It is understood. The computer and the books 60% and 40% is understood depreciation.